Next is black hat technique for link building. What is black hat technique of link building is there are two primarily, old domain and content farming. Okay, so what is old domain? Old domain is primarily a technique through which, because as you know, old domain values a lot in terms of their weightage. So what you can do is you can buy an old domain. Okay, from this website you will get an idea which are the old domains existing. Okay, and you can buy from there. Like I want to buy a domain which has loan in it. Okay, so or a home loan. I'm not sure home loan will be there or not. Okay, so you will find a lot of website and you can see year of registration. Okay, the birth year of the domain. So through this you can find that this website has been existing. Look at their Alexa rank. If they have good Alexa rank also, you can buy it. Okay, sometimes you can get it at cheap price like $70. Sometimes you get it like very, very expensive. Okay, so that depends upon. Okay, like this is home loan financing is available at $12,000. PSR, home loans, make a claim. So you can buy these home loans which has been existing and publish a blog on each website, create a WordPress blog, simple, publish a simple blog on it, and give a backlink to your website. That's it. This is how it is done because as it is an old domain, so Google don't uh, consider it as a wrong thing. But once it is identified, then it will spam your website. Okay, so that is one way. Okay, of getting a backlink. Second is content farming. Content farming is primarily the content you have generated. You can rewrite that content using the bestspinner.com, SEO Content Machine, or Spinbot, the one which I have shown you earlier as well. And you can publish it. You can give these articles to article websites, commission websites, and all. Then start commissioning it. But if Google's identify that you have spent the content, then you will be banned from ranking. But if Google doesn't identify, then it will work, and it has worked a lot till now. But there is no guarantee with it. There is a huge risk. If you are just doing for fun, then it is fine. Just you want to test it, then it's fine. Otherwise, it's very, very risky. Okay, this is the black hat technique. Black hat technique, I'm telling you, is should not be used. This is when a lot of people ask me कि कैसे करते हैं, कैसे एक महीने में rank कर जाते हैं, how we can rank in a month, 2 months. This is how. You quickly buy old domains quickly. You buy 200, 300 old domains which has good DA, PA values, and then you start creating a WordPress account on it. Place your WordPress content, one, two blogs on each one of them, and give a backlink to it. Second is content farming by these paid tools or free tools of content spinning, and then generate a huge amount of content, start placing it over hundreds and hundreds of websites, and then start getting back. But these both are not recommended ways. But if you want to take a risk, you can go ahead and do that. Okay, so that covers your primarily black hat technique of link generation. So that completes your off-page SEO. Any question, guys, in off-page SEO? Yeah, Aditya, go ahead. Ask your question, please.
So basically, as we have understood, in like the first thing you taught us was directory listing and niche directory submission. So, uh, so here basically you just have to post your pages, right? You just post your pages on this. There is no articles or anything. The existing pages which you have on your website, you post those pages on these websites, correct?
On which type of submissions?
I'm getting confused.
On which type of submissions you are talking about?
No, I am talking about the the 9 types of submission that you told us. Now, off page SEO.
Correct.
First was directory listing. So on this directory listing, we have to just post our website links on this. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
Website pages.
Correct.
Same is niche directory submission also, wherein you find your specific directory, like finance directories, and you submit that. Okay.
Correct.
If you have a video content anywhere, like you made a video or something like that, then you can post those videos also on these video sites like YouTube, Vimeo, and all, right?
Correct.
Okay. An article submission, you're saying, has to be unique. Article submission, you write an article and it has to be posted only on that particular website.
Correct.
You use your existing article content and then repost it here. Correct?
Correct.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. That's it.
Perfect.
And what you said about frequency also. So what should be the frequency of posting, like directory listing and niche directory is like a one-time thing, no? You just posted basically.
It's a one-time listing, but in that one-time listing is that there are hundreds and hundreds of directories. Okay, so every day you submit in 10 different directories, next day 10 different, like that.
Okay, so the same pages, all the pages like about home loan or loaning is property or what
correct.
you made on your website, provided you've done the on-page SEO of that. After that, you just have to copy that page URL, that slug, copy that, and you have to paste it on various directives wherever you.
But you have to write a title, a different title using the keywords on which you want to rank. The description is there. Okay, it's not just the URL.
Okay.
Then is local SEO is left, which we will do it tomorrow. There are hardly any time left, couple of minutes. Okay. But I give you an idea about local SEO. Local SEO comprises of these 5 components which are mentioned here. The first component is local content on your website. So you will add geographical locations in your keyword in on page. Like you will talk about home loans. Remember, you were talking about, I would say one time, that we should add Ghaziabad, Delhi, correct?
Correct.
So if you want to just rank in a specific area, in specific geographical locations, so you will add those geographical locations into your page content. So you will optimize your on page with by adding those content. Okay, so it becomes local content now. When you say home loan, this is one thing. When you say home loan in Delhi, okay, get home loan or get home loan in Delhi, when you write get home loan in Delhi, then the chances of your page ranking in Delhi is higher in comparison to other pages, because they might be just talking about home loans. Okay. Second is citations. This is for everyone, not only for Aditya. Citations and HCard is primarily adding the content. Okay, adding the addresses of in the footer primarily, or because footer is common on all the pages. So you add citations or HCard, means the address of your business on each and every page. How you can add it on each and every page is with the help of footer. For example, I'm not sure. Yeah. On a Henry Howard new, I'm not sure. Okay, it is their address, physical address is not there. Give me a second. Let me take the best example. Okay, so if you see the address, this is critically very important. First, two advantages of citation in its card. One is it boosts your local SEO. Second, it boosts the trust of the user, because when you have an address on your website, people think that I can reach out to him and catch him up if he give me a wrong product or a wrong thing. So that way, it is uh, trust gets boosted in it. Okay. Third thing is backlink from local directories and classifieds. Local directories and classifieds are primarily justdial.com, sulekha.com, Yelp, Craigslist. If you have heard of these websites, if you generate a backlink from these websites, then it will be local. Like if you go on Just Dial, I'm taking just an example of Just Dial. Okay, let's say uh, auto care, car wash. Okay, if I click on this Zebro auto care, you will see an information and a link. So this way you are getting a backlink, and it is a local because it's come in justdial.com/mobile. Oh, sorry, Mumbai. So that's why it is a local classified or a direct. Okay, somebody was asking me what is directory or classified. These are the classified and directory. The companies which have very specific, the websites which have very specific pages for particular state or city or country, that is like justdial.com/Mumbai. Okay, so this site, when you go back, car washing, this is a Mumbai page. So it gives you a more advantage when you get a local link from the specific city. Okay, the next thing is Google Maps. So we will do Google Maps tomorrow. Okay, I will tell you how to register yourself in Google Maps, and then uh, the strategy for a week and mobile SEO.